Christ is His Majesty. Christ is His Majesty. Christ is His Majesty. Christ is the way. Christ is His Majesty. Christ is His Majesty. Christ is.
And give thanks for life.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks for life.
You know, true.
I say, well, if you don't have life, you can't give thanks for life.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks for life.
True.
You have life so you can reason and
True.
you see it.
Well, you know, my program name Learn About Rastafari. You know, learn about Rasta. Learn about the art, the passion, the love, you know, the realness in life. You know, all the feelings of positivity that Rastafari put to the world. You know, that is what we're here to deal with. And we have to give thanks to the master, Fred Locks, who made his presence here, you know. And we could have all our vibes, Rastafari vibes.
Yeah,
you understand?
man. Give thanks.
Give thanks for the strength and, you know, for the positive vibes. Because that's what Rastafari about, positive energy.
Right.
You understand? Because the man I travel from far to come represent to the whole world.
True.
But before we go on the reason, we go all our vibes. So I go beat the drum, you see me I say,
Yeah, man.
and get in our vibe.
Yeah.
Clear the air.
Ready
See?
the feet, ready.
Kick it off, fella.
Babylon, you're gone down. Babylon, you're gone down. Babylon, you're gone. Babylon, you're gone. Babylon, you're gone, and your throne gone down. Up on the mountain of Zion, Rastafari. Babylon, you're gone. Babylon, you're gone down. Babylon, you're gone down. Babylon, you're gone down. Babylon, you're gone. Babylon, you're gone. Babylon, you're gone, and your throne gone down. Up on the mountain of Zion, Rastafari. Babylon, you're gone. Babylon, you're gone down. Sing that. It's like how them a go down. I see them a go down, you know.
Yeah, man.
Right down.
Yes, Fred Locks.
You see it?
So when I say Babylon, what do you
It's a
mean?
system. It's a system. It's a world system. Because some people tell, especially in Jamaica, Rastas and the whole thing, so are some youth where we're not educated upon things, so they say Babylon, you mean policeman,
Yeah.
right? But Anthony Biavacho is a bad cop, good cop.
Yeah.
So I say, not everything you have good and bad.
Yeah.
So Babylon is really a system the contrary to God's system. But fight down all of God being, everything where God represents. Them is definitely Satan's advocate, you know. The devil's disciples, like how Christ have them disciples, you know. So that's not about Babylon, the system of which we are a victim, you know.
True,
You understand?
true. So you're saying how long you study the Rastafari faith?
Well, I am on turn 58 coming June. And from I was about 16, to be exact. When I was 16, his master came to Jamaica in 1966.
Yeah.
And that was what brought about the studying.
Yeah.
But was exposed to Rasta, being in Jamaica where it starts from, we're exposed to that from where youth. If we go back earlier, we start from 16, but I go back earlier, when I was a little youth, I used to pass and say, I want to man, I do garden work, put edges, and he look tired and hungry. And he say, oh, them enslave them man, so man, like the people them were near to my house, them never bring out little water for him. So the goodness of the Most High was in I. That I go to my house and mix lemonade and buy Buddha and carry for him. And they look for me and put me on me and say, I see the light a shine at the eye, you know. Tell me them away myself. We just have to take the better, do a good thing. When we reach about 16 now, and this man used to come to Jamaica now, my eyes open up. Because we used to skimp on some like herb base and smoke chalice and we never educated on the thing. Some man lick chalice and hear some man say, this man says the Most High and I kind of thing I lick chalice and I say I sound one. Bless is the man that's walking out of the council of that, but he's a youth now. Me is not a follower and I don't want to lead nobody, I don't like impose neither, but I never said something unless I mean it. Me just say, yeah, I'm not a Rasta, just give me a light, light and a chalice and thing and gone. And I'm so my future going like bad boy, so. But I was like being myself.
Yes.
But when his man used to come now, and it's like some man said, I'm going to go to the airport to go look upon him and I said, the Almighty come here. I said, I will not talk to him, I'm not blaspheme, man. I walk go one away now and like, I pass the house, I don't know if it's over radio or television. You know what I'm saying? And there's Imperial Majesties now approaching the Harbour View roundabout. Because we are behind the time when they land. So if we didn't head for the airport, we would have passed upon the way. So by the time you hear that now, I feel something spin me around. I'm end up a run out. And the people that make like, I feel like Moses that day, the people that make a passage for me. I'm going to run right to them and come right out in front of the carriage majesty now. See, because I'm in an open back thing, you know. I don't think it was limousine them time, but one of them carry right is going on. And we reach about even 5 yards from me, I wave to me personally, you know. And I said, right, I tell you, I feel like, when I said earlier, it's all good, all a blasphemous thing, you know, I say, I shouldn't have rate his miles so much, you know. But now, it's better when you be yourself and you don't follow nobody. So it's like from this, so now, just seeing him in a real life, the appearance of him make me start say, yo, this man is not the ordinary, you know. So the studying coming now, I start check about Rastafari, and I say, well, over the years here, Rastaman, I said, I'm a king of kings and lord of lords, and you can relate to that kind of the scriptures. And I said, but something about this, you know. So I said, if a man come from earth as a descendant of David, like the Bible says, God has sworn it and oath unto David that have the fruit of his loins according to the flesh, he will raise up Christ to sit upon his throne. You come see a man come have all the befitting titles, as, you know, and he has his vesture and his tie and name written King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Someone connect the whole thing and say, boy, Rastafari, Christ in him second advent, you know. So me see it and I'm glad to see it, so I'm still see it, so I'm hold on to that. Because the good book says, prove all things and hold on to that which is good, you know. So that was good for me because evident that our Lord sprang out of Judah, you know. Of which tribe Moses spake nothing concerning the priesthood, and the Bible says Judah is God known. So I'm glad I'm not so bright for delving a thing or too high for me. So I said, that's good enough for me. See a man from the tribe of Judah come, direct descendant of Solomon and Sheba. This is no doubt that this man is of God. And I was reasoning with my sister earlier and just say, when you check out Selassie, I'm quoting about Christ and God all the time. It's like Selassie I teaching coming like you're listening to Christ speaking all over again. You understand? So him have all the guidelines.
But in a John, them talk about that, you know. Because in a John, them say, this man shall become and he shall be called the comforter. Yeah, who shall carry everything within this time. Right. You understand? Because you know, the time pass, many of the knowledge and things get lost and get corrupted. Right. So His Majesty right now come with a type of teaching and knowledge that is new and that is uncorrupted. It's real. You understand? There's not a lot of folly. You understand?
In other words, him promote godliness.
Yes.
And him come and enhance the teachings of Christ.
Yes.
Which is the only name whereby you can be saved is through Christ. Not just the name, but for do his works.
No, the works.
The works. His faith and works, because faith without works is dead. So the Rastafari faith means a lot to me, because this is where I feel comfortable.
Yes.
I couldn't feel good worshiping in a church.
Yes.
Run by men who are like hypocrites, because when I check out the thing, you know, the people who profess to be Christians,